Grasmoor, 853 metres. First Lake District wild camp, would you believe that? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I think it's been about 2 months since I've uploaded a proper video. Just been busy. Hopefully you've seen my latest short on the Abisko Lite one from Fjallraven. 4-season tunnel tent. Top right corner for that if you've not checked that out. And also head on over to my Instagram, hiker_bob_, link in description below. Today we're gonna do what, sorry? Are we off? Yeah. Right, so we've just started the walk and Matt's led us the wrong way, so I'm blaming it on him, it's his fault. Anyway, we're going up Grasmoor, which is it's about 853 metres. This is the first time that I've actually done a wild camp in the Lake District. Can't believe that, but I just prefer Snowdonia. It's just easy to get to. But we'll see. Apparently it's going to be 40 to 45 km/h winds, so it's going to be blowing a hoolie, and we'll see how the Hilleberg Nallo 3 reacts to that, along with the Fjallraven Abisko Lite 1. So yeah, can't wait to take you on the journey on this one. Proper pumped to get up to the top. That's the top up there. We're just sort of skirting round and going there. So here we go. Gotta be quiet, got some mates. Hey buddy, how you doing? Hey pal. So top tip, I've just bought a drone and thought better not take it on its first outing up the top here, because it's going to be 40 kmh on the old wind scale. So I thought, well, I'll take it another day, but in hindsight I probably should have taken it with me, kept it in the car, and then done 5 minutes before the hike and just got a bit of a whiz round the lake and popped it back in the car. So don't make the mistake I made. Still beautiful though. I mean, it's just an amazing place. I've never been here before. At the base of the lake, it's around 100 to 110 meters above sea level. We're just talking about this rock here. It's absolutely beautiful. If anyone knows the name of that, drop us a comment below. I'd love to know what that is. In fact, I'd really like to camp on the top of it. It looks like probably one of the best spots on this lake. What's this lake called? Is it Crummick Water? Buttermere. You can tell I come to the lakes a lot. I don't have a clue. Got about 1 mile and 1.2 miles to go. It's just been pretty steep, to be honest, but we're enjoying ourselves. It's a nice temp, getting the breeze on us as well. It's really enjoyable and picturesque as well. Just walking through a bit of a heather field now. Have a look.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
£15 vouchers off Uber Eats. I mean, why not? Why wouldn't you?
Exactly, spend 25 quid, get 15 quid off.
Get 3 pizzas for that, can't you?
3 tubs of Ben and Jerry's.
Some cloud coming in over there. The wind's moving pretty quick. I don't really want to be pitching up in the rain if I can help it. So we're just going to try and bolt it the last bit. So up here and then round, and then I think it's pretty much flat on the top. Well, I'm telling myself it's flat anyway. Just see the sun poking through there, shining down onto the lake. I don't know, what do you guys think? Snowdonia more picturesque or the lake's more picturesque? Do you know, when you look at the elevation gain and you think it's going to be a certain number, I thought it was 700 meters and 153 to go. It's actually 600 meters, so we've got nearer 300 meters to go. This is a climb that is incredibly steep, so just a pre-warning, even though it's a short distance, it's like that steep. So it's kind of walk 10-15 meters, have a rest, especially towards the end. What do you reckon? 45? 50? I haven't got my windometer on me, but I can tell you, it's blowing a hoolie. I think we'll try and find somewhere over there maybe, where it's a bit more sheltered. Quarry on there, as you can see. Not a bad view, eh? So I've got the tent double poled. I think it nearly took off then. I really hope it doesn't take off. I mean, that would be a catastrophe. I'm gonna tighten everything up again and get some more rocks on there. There he is. Boulder boy Matt. That was the most stressful pitch I've ever experienced. So windy. Now it's calmed down now, but when we were pitching before, just adjust the camera there. When we were pitching before, there was a gust that came and I thought it snapped the pole. So I was like, okay, well, I've got a spare pole, but I wanted it double poled really. I'll show you the double pole now actually. Show you a little bit of the scenery. I honestly have got no idea where we are. I don't know what that range is. Matt reckons that's Keswick down there, but your guess is as good as mine. We're on Grasmoor anyway, 853 metres. Just going to show you this double pole now. You see that? So yeah, oh, the colours are just coming through now. You can see that. Right, let's take you inside if you can. Put this on the tripod. There we go. There we go. See that all right? Yeah. See what I'm doing. There we go, that's how you do it. Right, let's get in and chill out a little bit, I think. Mate, that did the whole thing. I didn't have to blow it.
I was holding it out in the wind.
Yeah, how many goes? 15?
First time I've had it back and I've got
Tell you what, it's good in the wind, flipping heck. I'm just going to boil about 600 mils of water. As you can see, it's nice and windy. There we go. Wow, it is so windy. I'll have some of these whilst I'm waiting for that to boil. Taking about an hour. just doing its thing now. Right, let's see what this is saying. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh my god, this is fucking insane. This is insane. Jesus Christ. This is crazy, this. Right, stop now. Oh, hang on, hang about. Mate, that was insane. What was your tent doing?
It was basically creasing in half.
Mate, I thought the fabric was going to rip.
Basically, my whole tent just squashed.
Really? Oh my god. This is just... You can see it. I'm so glad I put 2 poles in this tent. This is a Mont Bell sleeping wrap, so it's just like, so my quilt, the Thermarest Vesper, just goes underneath. That's like the main one, and then the wrap just goes over the top there. Like sort of extra warmth, and just to keep me warm when I just need it, really, I guess. Wow, it's so windy. This is crazy. This is just absolutely crazy. This is crazy. It's absolutely crazy conditions, this. Said it was going to be 40 to 45 kms, but the gusts, these are like 70 km/h gusts at least. Morning guys, it's 21 minutes past 5 and I mean, it's been like this all night. It's been horrendous. We're gonna get the hell out of here. I'm gonna just have a protein bar, neck some water. This is just crazy. Honest to God. Held up. Mate, it's not actually that windy out here. Just bolted it off the top. Just saying to Matt that between 4 AM and 5 AM I've probably got about an hour's worth of sleep. Massive gusts were hitting the tent and waking us up every 5 minutes. No idea what the actual wind reading was, but the weather report said 45, but we've walked in 55 before, and we got the readings on that, and I would say it was on a par, if not more extreme than that. I'd say anywhere between 50 and 70 km/h gusts. Pretty scary stuff. If you didn't know what you were doing, I mean, you've really got to keep it together and you know, just hunker down and bear the brunt of it. I think it's just a mental game, really. I'm just saying that it was good to get that out of the system, really. We were after a brutal camp and I wanted to see how the Abisko Lite 1 held up, and as you can see from the footage, it was absolutely brilliant. It was an absolute bomber. So if you're after a lightweight tent that's 4-season, that's a thumbs up from me. Absolutely brilliant. Just been really impressed with it. I'd highly recommend getting the second pole. It just makes it a lot more sturdy. Alright, so back at the car. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you like the video, drop us a comment, let us know what you think, hit the like button and consider subscribing, and until next time, take care.